SCON Design, a leading engineering firm based in Delhi, offers comprehensive detail engineering survey services in Chattarpur and its surrounding areas. Their detail engineering survey services in Chattarpur are known for their precision and accuracy, helping clients make informed decisions regarding their projects. The detail engineering survey services offered by SCON Design in Chattarpur encompass a wide range of activities. These include topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. Topographic surveys involve the measurement and mapping of the physical features of a piece of land, providing valuable information for design and construction purposes. Boundary surveys, on the other hand, determine the exact location and dimensions of property lines, ensuring legal compliance and avoiding potential disputes. Construction staking involves the establishment of reference points and markers on a construction site to guide the placement of structures and infrastructure. When it comes to detail engineering survey services in Chattarpur, SCON Design employs state-of-the-art surveying equipment and techniques to ensure accurate and reliable results. Their team of highly skilled surveyors is well-versed in using advanced tools such as total stations, DG-piece receivers, and laser scanners to capture data with precision. This data is then processed and analyzed using advanced software to generate detailed maps, plans, and reports that can be used for design, construction, and project management purposes. One of the key advantages of availing detail engineering survey services from SCON Design in Chattarpur is their commitment to delivering projects on time and within budget. By leveraging their expertise and efficient workflows, SCON Design ensures that clients receive accurate survey data in a timely manner, enabling them to proceed with their projects without delays or disruptions. When it comes to detail engineering survey services in Chattarpur, SCON Design in Delhi is the go-to firm. With their expertise and experience, they provide top-notch survey services that cater to the specific needs of their clients. SCON Design understands the importance of accurate and reliable survey data, as it forms the basis for successful engineering projects. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes advanced surveying techniques and equipment to ensure that every detail is captured with precision. One of the key aspects of detail engineering survey services in Chattarpur is the comprehensive site analysis. SCON Design excels in this area by conducting thorough surveys to gather all the necessary information about the site. This includes topographic surveys, which determine the contours and features of the land. By identifying any natural or man-made obstacles, SCON Design can provide valuable insights for the design and planning process. Additionally, they also perform boundary surveys to establish property lines and easements, ensuring compliance with local regulations. Another crucial component of detail engineering survey services in Chattarpur is the utility mapping. SCON Design